Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambli, and in today's episode of Ambli Does Stupid Things, we are going to color my hair red. That's right, you and I are going to sit together and go through the entire process of first bleaching my hair and then dyeing it red using Paradyes Ruby Wine. A couple of things before we begin. If you're doing this for the first time, I assume you're here because you want to try doing it yourself. And if that's the case, please patch test before you begin. In addition to that, there are two more tips that I would like to give you. One, do not wash your hair. Let your hair soak in its natural oils for a day or two before you attempt to bleach, because bleaching is it's a very harsh process. It's going to completely fry your hair chemically. So it would be good to have, the natural oils because it would give an additional layer of protection. Second thing, um, dye your hair quite light if you want the pigment to show up. As you can see, my hair there are some portions where the color has been stripped from my last round of coloring, but then it's been almost a year. I went through a lot of things during that last 1 year. So my hair has pretty much gone back to its natural black color, and it's a really dark black. So if I apply any kind of dye, it is not going to show, and that would be pointless, and it's a huge waste of money because hair dyes are expensive. So what we need to do is to strip the melanin pretty much, like at least 70% for the color to even show up. That means you might need to do 2 rounds of bleaching. Also, one more thing, if at all you do plan on bleaching your hair, skip the conditioner. Wash your hair with shampoo, skip the conditioner. If you condition your hair, sometimes the color will not stick. So yeah, that's about it. I guess we can officially begin now.
Brace yourself.
All right, step one is to use someone else's clothes. All right, so yeah, stolen clothes, check. My plan is to go dump my head into a pot of black Asian paints to negate the damage. But anyway, as you can see, I've done 4 sections horizontally. Like this, can you see 1, 2, 3, 4? And we are going to bleach them, the bottom going first. Right, we are done with the mix. Now we are going to run for our lives and start applying, because remember, this is a chemical agent. As soon as the bleach is mixed with the blonder, it starts activating that shit, and I think nascent oxygen starts coming out, so we have no time. Let's go. So I've washed my hair. I'm sorry if the audio quality is poor. I cannot pin a mic because I was just washing my hair and I had bleach on me and everything. So I've washed my hair. The crown portion, I have bangs, by the way. They're not that light, and that's precisely how I wanted it. The rest of my head, my god, it's at that viral biryani colored shade. Hi, so my hair is at the viral biryani colored stage. I need to wait till it's completely dry to apply the red dye. 3 things that you need to remember. One, once you are done applying the bleach, change your gloves. If you're going to wash your hair with the same gloves that you had on while you applied bleach, you're going to be in a nightmare because water or something could trickle into your eye. And if you have bleach stained gloves and you use them to clean your eyes, you're going to see heaven, hell, and all the 8 planets in between. Second thing, wash in the order that you applied the bleach. So if you bleached the lower section first, that goes first. Remember, the pigment will be stripped pretty fast. So by the time you're done, like with the top section, the bottom section is already going to be fairly light. If you are doing this for the first time, here's what you need to do. Do 1 section at a time. Apply the bleach, wait till it reaches the desired level of lightness, wash it out, tie it up, and then do the next section. This is what I did the very first time. I've done this quite a few times, and I'm pretty confident, and I know how much time each section is going to take. I know what my hair is going to be like, so I'm able to do it. Just because I'm doing dumb stuff doesn't mean that you have to also. So yeah, if you're doing it for the first time, do it one section at a time. Apply bleach, wash that bleach out, tie it up, go to the next section, and keep repeating until you've done like your whole head. Second thing, do not use conditioner. If you're done with this and you don't want any more hair dyeing, that's good. Go ahead and apply conditioner. But otherwise, if you are like me, planning on doing another round of coloring, you should skip the conditioner, because the conditioner is going to form a layer over your hair and prevent the hair dye from sticking that well. And then finally, there was something, yeah, avoid hair dryer. Your hair has already been traumatized and shocked with a really harsh chemical bleach. So applying heat is not going to help in any way. So let it air dry. Yeah, it's going to look odd and fizzy and everything, but that's fine. My hair usually doesn't look like this at all. Like if you go back to my other videos or even my Instagram, you'll see that my hair is pretty flat. It's straight and flat, lifeless. Not like this. Right now I look like Mufasa from Lion King. So yeah, that's that. So now we have to wait for an hour. Let's drink coffee. Did I tell you I love coffee? I have coffee running in my veins. I also like Starry Night. Now why don't you tell me about yourself, since we're anyway stuck here waiting for an hour? I also like Rana Daggubati and Ali Sethi. Enough about me. Now you tell me about yourself. And how was your day going? Ooh, look at this. I painted this myself. I'm obsessed with Starry Nights. I've got Starry Night earrings. I've got Starry Night bags. I've got Starry Night fridge magnets. I've even got a Starry Nights t-shirt, a phone case, and pretty much a lot of stuff. Awkward. We're just sitting here looking at each other, and I'm not even looking nice at this point. Yeah, I guess that's that. Okay, so if you look at me from the front, I don't think you can tell the extent to which my hair has been bleached, and that's exactly what I intended. I want the shocking color to be at the base, and as you come towards the top, it's pretty much my natural color. I'm going to turn around, and now you can see how the section at the bottom is really light, and it fades as we go up. 3, 2, 1, turn! You guys still with me on this? Good, because I have to blame you when my mother asks me why I did this. I just opened out my braid so that you get a better idea of how light, how really light it is at the base. And as you go up, it is almost my natural hair color. Can you see? It kind of fades out. It's really light at the bottom and then almost my natural color here. That was the plan, so that the red is mostly concentrated around this area. I guess you couldn't see it earlier because my hair was up in a braid. So yeah, let's go change into a red t-shirt and start dying. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കൊരു കാപ്പി കുടിച്ചിട്ട് വരാം ഇടയിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട്. Remember, before we do stupid shit, we have to change clothes. Done. Let's go. Hi. Are you guys still with me? Oh, the remote. So this is the end result. Here's how my hair looks after uh, Paradyes Ruby Wine. So you saw me apply the dye. Let me just run you through what I did after the dye was applied. I let it sit in my hair for an hour or so. 60 minutes is what the packaging said, and that's exactly what I did. ഒരു മണിക്കൂറിൽ കൂടുതൽ വെക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമുണ്ടെന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നില്ല. It's not like it can stain you any further. ഒരു point കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ your hair is going to be saturated in the dye, and there's like a cap on how much it can color your hair. So after an hour, I rinsed my hair with running water, no shampoo. And then I went really heavy on the conditioner, and the conditioner itself sat on my hair for close to 6-7 minutes. And then I rinsed out the conditioner again in running water, and I came out, towel dried a little bit, and while my hair was still damp, I used the Tresemme serum, and then I let my hair air dry and then relax. No heat was used to style my hair. 10 hours later, here we are. I'm not sure how to be an influencer, so please pardon my attitude. But here, you go ahead and look at my hair from all different angles. Yeah, so it does feel a little rough at the tips, but I guess bleach does that to you. It's not something that you can escape from. I'm sorry about the noise. All right. So yeah, and if you are looking for ways to style your hair without using heat, let me show you something. Ta-da! I'm sure you've heard of hair tinsel. This is several strips of hair tinsel. And I love using this product. So basically, you take strands and attach it to the roots of your hair. And if you do sufficient strands, your hair is gonna look like a disco ball. And my next video is going to be a tutorial on how you can attach hair tinsel to the roots of your hair. Make sure you press the bell icon so that you don't miss that video. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for tolerating me and my attempts at doing stupid stuff. If you are trying to color your hair yourself, all the very best to you. Or if you know someone who is planning to color their hair all by themselves, make sure you send this video to them. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you. This is Ambli. Bye.